Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back to another video. So today we're talking about semen retention, attraction. Does holding onto your seed make you more attractive to women? Short answer, yes it does, but we are going to dive a little bit deeper into why that is. So as a man and as a woman, you're made up of masculine and feminine energy. Testosterone pumps the masculine, estrogen pumps the feminine, and these two energies are attracted to each other. When you're holding onto your seed, what are you doing? You're retaining that masculine energy. You're retaining that testosterone, giving you a more powerful sexual essence, which she can sense, just as you can sense hers. What do women find attractive in a man? What do they look for? Confidence, work ethic, purpose, drive, status. How successful is he? Especially as a woman gets old. When a woman's young, it doesn't matter as much, but when a woman gets late 20s and they're thinking about having kids and they're thinking about their clock, they're going to look for that high status man. They're going to look for that confident man who's got his shit together, basically, because that gives her the best opportunity for her offspring. That gives her the best opportunity for him being a good provider for her and her children. And the more beautiful the woman, because that's what men put first, is beauty biologically, the more options she has for men and the more picky she will be with who she chooses to settle down with, who she chooses to even to date, because she'll always go for that higher status because she has more men throwing themselves at her. And it works the same way. When a man is a high status man, he has more options with beautiful women. That's just biology, that's life. It's been that way since the beginning of time. Just as if you go to a party or you go to a get-together, whether you're a guy or a woman, if you meet that guy that has that energy, that has that radiance, that is confident in himself, you either want to be his friend or you want to date him. Like the woman wants to date him, wants to sleep with him, or the men are like, I got to be this guy's friend because he has this radiant energy that you just love being around. He just has that aura. And those men have strong masculine cores. And an easy trick, an easy little hack to get yourself to have that strong masculine core is to hold on to your seed, right? That's why older women like to sleep with younger men or go after younger men, because of that strong sexual essence, that strong energy level that makes the woman feel young again. It doesn't matter if the woman's married or been in a long-term relationship, she'll still naturally be attracted to that high energy. She'll still naturally be attracted to that high status, to that confidence. She may never do anything about it, but she's still going to be attracted to it. Same with men. We're always going to be attracted to beautiful women. It's just biology. We can ignore it as much as we want, but it's still there, right? So when you hold on to your seed and you supercharge all those traits, that's going to make you far more attractive to women. Does that mean that every woman's going to be attracted to you? Hell no, of course not. There's many other factors that go into attraction. But if you have a strong, radiant sexual essence, she's going to notice that naturally. The pheromones, everything like that. She's going to see it in your confidence, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you interact, the way you conduct your life, the way that you chase your goals. All these things are what women want in a man. So hold on to your seed and you will succeed. Anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop the video a like. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe if you're new. All right, guys, much love. See you in the next one.